Hello fellow artists and welcome back to another video. So today I have an ArtSnacks unboxing. Now if nobody knows what this is, it's a art subscription box, but it's based in America, I think. So yes, I got this for Christmas from my lovely friend Jasmine. I'll leave her channel link in the description box. So yeah, thank you so much Jasmine. So yeah, let's open it. So we have a canvas board that Jasmine kindly added in. So I will be painting a gouache painting on this. So if we open up, we have two boxes in one box. So we have this box and these supplies. So I will get to these supplies after the first one. So I'll just move these. This is the first one. Let's just open it up and see what's included. We'll zoom in a little bit. So the first thing I can see is an ArtSnacks sticker. Can my camera focus? There we go. I really like that logo. Then we have some Aquagraph colours pocket set, which comes in a nice case. So if we open it up, here they are, all in a nice little package, which I will have to open up. And there's a few details inside. Yep, just a little thing showing you what they are. I don't know if there's swatch colours in here or not. Nope, just a little bit of information. Oh yeah, there is. Hopefully I can show you these. There they are. But I will be swatching these out anyway. Yep, so we got some of those. Now let's open this mystery package. Ooh, another sticker. Very nice. So we have a Brushables brush up on colour. We have a Sakura Micron. And we have a King's Art Original Gold Premium brush. It's very nice. So I think what I'll do now is I will get a piece of watercolour paper and we'll do a little swatch of these and then we'll open the next box. I've just got myself a watercolour paper pad. This happens to be the May Scrawler Box one. So if we just open this up, I think I'm going to tear a sheet out. There we go. And then we'll do a nice little close-up so we can see what the colours look like. So I think first we will probably test out the Zig Brushables. I've never ever seen or heard of this before. So let's see. I don't know if they're water activated as well. I really like that colour. And then, oh wait, there's two. This one seems to be more of a brush one though. So let's see, is it activated by water? Not really. Okay, let me just test the other one just to check. Yeah, no, you can't activate them with water, but if you put them in a ceramic plate that would definitely work. So now I think we should swatch the Aquagraph blue markers. So this one is blue. Let's put some water on it. Oh wow, look at that. I think we did actually get some of these in a Scrawler box last year? This year? I can't remember. I think it might have been last year. try this one, which is red. It goes down like a graphite pencil, but then when you add water it changes. That doesn't look like a red to me. No, that's definitely not a red. I will try it the other way around, where you add water and then you draw over it, because that might make a huge difference other than doing it this way. But it's good to check all possible ways of doing it. But these look like it's like a wash. So 1, 2, 3. No, it's this one. This is teal. I definitely think the other way will work better, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. It definitely lifts the pencil marks off of it as well. And then we'll try this one. I'll have to move it up a bit so you can see. Here we go. So that is a brown. And then we have one more which is white, but I don't think that's going to show up on this piece of paper. No, probably not. It's fine. Right, I'm going to add a bunch of water to this section here. And then I'm going to do it this way around. I think this might be more effective. A little bit. The best way is probably doing it like this. Whoops. Maybe then adding a bit more. I'll try it just to see if it intensifies the colour, because these aren't very pigmented. So let's test the last thing, which is a micro PN. I don't even think I've used this before. That's a very thin line. I'm gonna do a close-up of this so you can see the nib. Whoops. Here we go. Yeah, I've never used that point of nib before. Interesting. So yeah, that is the September 2022 ArtSnacks box. And there is a challenge that says use all of the products in the box to create an original piece of art. But I'm not really sure what I would make with these, considering you can't really make them very pigmented. And I'm not sure why this pink was included with these colours. It seems a bit too vibrant, if you know what I mean. But anyway, that was the first box unboxing. You'll have to let me know what you think of it. Have you had this box before? It only came out this year. I've just had a thought, and I think the best thing that would help these work better is to get a Caran d'Ache palette, and basically it's like a textured board that you draw on with the pencils, and it helps make them very pigmented. So I think that would have been cool if they added this in this box. And I've also noticed that ArtSnacks don't provide a zine. And what I mean by a zine is a scroller box. Well, it's basically a piece of leaflet or book that provides people that were included and people's artwork and things. So yeah, I think now we'll move on to the next box. August box, which was August 2022 from this year. So we have a supply list sheet and a small one here. So inside we have another sticker. Really like these. I know I said it previously, a little bit earlier on. We have a mixed media sketchbook. I like this here that says artist and probably date started. And it also, I don't know if you can see, they're like perforated, so I guess you can rip the pages out. And there's a lot of paper in it too. So that's that one. And we have some mystery supplies and some Copic pens. So if we look at the Copic multi-liners first, I have owned a very small set of these before, and it says on the back that they are pigment based, disposable, waterproof and compatible with Copic markers, which is really good. So if they're compatible with Copic markers, they'll work with my Ohuhu ones. So I will get all of these out and we'll swatch them in this book. I think what we'll do is focus on this little thing right here. So gently open it up. So we have another sticker. Another ArtSnacks sticker, very nice. We have a Alvin Draft Tech something. Oh, that's very bizarre. Look at that. I've never seen anything like this before. Oh, and there's also a rubber on the back if you pull off the lid thing. Ooh, it's very technical. Then we have a ruler, which I'm going to take out of here because I'm curious. I've never seen a ruler like this before. Does it come out? Yes. It's like a triangular ruler. That's actually pretty good. It doesn't roll and it stays in one place. I very much like that. It says it's an Alumicolour Common Man 3-sided pocket ruler. I like that. I'll be using that for other things as well. And the other things that were included are the burnt ochre Faber-Castell pencils, and I have seen these before, so I believe they are water activated, but we will test that theory in a little bit. So yeah, these are all the things that were in this August kit. Now I'm going to test these supplies and swatch them in the sketchbook to see what they're like. The first thing that I'm going to test is the Faber-Castell pencils. I believe they're water activated, I could be wrong, but we'll see in a second. Yep, I was very much right. Just like the others. And I'm going to go over it just to see. Yeah, that's very nice. I like that. I was just about to dip the whole nib in then. Right, let's try the green. I love big chunky pencils like this. Oh, that's nice. I might see if I can mix the two. I don't think it's going to create a colour, but we'll find out. I always like experimenting. Right, so I think what I'll do, and again these would work well with the Caran d'Ache palette that you draw on, so I might have to invest in one of those. So I'm going to go across like that and then add green as well. It might create a darker green actually, or it'll just create a mud colour. but let's find out. It's like an olive green. Yeah, so you can get 3 colours out of that. Now we will test the pencil. It's very thin. It's a 0.5. And I believe it's a hard pencil because it's like very light. You can like barely see it on the camera. So that is the pencil. Now we'll test out the micron. I've used a billions of these. Very thin micron pen in 0, 1. Very good. Now I'm going to test the ruler. Get a nice straight line. Yes, I love straight lines, though it's probably not going to look like a straight line on you. Yep, now we're going to test the Copic multi-liners. Copic multi, and that is in 0.8. Now I'm just going to show you something here. This would be amazing for doodle art. Now if you are following me on Instagram, you will have seen this piece that I've been working on, and to line I've been using thick liners and stuff, so that is what I will probably use these Copic multi-liners for. So we have a Copic multi in 0.5. This is a brush nib. I've never used a Copic brush nib before. I'm going to zoom right in actually. Right in. Just so you can see the brush. So let's do... Ooh. I like that. That's very good. And then I think the last one is another brush. There's 2 brushes. Oh, there's a brush S and a brush M. So this is a brush M. Oh, I'm gonna put that down. Can you see that? Let's see what this one's like. Yeah, this one's very, very dark compared to the other one. So this is brush M and that's brush S. I'll have to read about what the differences are. So that is all the supplies that are included in the August box. Yeah, and that concludes our big ArtSnacks haul. I just want to say thank you again to Jasmine for this lovely, lovely gift. And I think what I'll do is I'll brainstorm a few things and try and use both supplies to make an artwork. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment down below what you think of the supplies. Have you had a ArtSnacks box before? And if I don't see you before the new year, I wish you a very, very happy new year, and yeah, loads of content to come. And don't forget, I do have a giveaway running. You can check my last video if you want to enter. And yeah, subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with another video. Okay, bye bye.